Hello, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I mentioned in my last video that I realized while cleaning up and doing my laundry that I need to do another closet clean out. And so that is what we're gonna do today. And guys, I'm being so serious. I'm being so serious when I say that I'm gonna get rid of stuff. More stuff than I've ever gotten rid of before. That might be a lie. I'm gonna really go in and get rid of stuff. I'm tired of holding on to things. I just want stuff that I actually wear and stuff that I'm actually excited about in my closet. So that is what we're doing today. I clean out my closet all the time and people seem to really enjoy closet clean out videos. So I thought this would be a good video to do. I did want to preface that I feel like I need to preface this because I'm like moving really weird right now. I did get an incision and stitches in the middle of my chest right here. It's like under my shirt, but I can't really move very well right here to like not stretch it. I also have one on my shoulder blade on my back. So I'm like kind of I'm moving slow and I'm moving not the way I usually do. If it looks like I'm impaired in this video, it's because I am. Here she be. Here is my two full packed closet. Something that I need to really do is get rid of shoes. I have way too many shoes. They're also underneath there and they're also all over here and up here. Way too many, I know. Another issue is my purse wall. Way too many purses. I also need to go through that. Yeah, I have some stuff right here that I'm unsure about already that's been sitting there for a while. And I have it all organized from tank tops, dresses, and like tracksuit pieces. All of my pants, all of my skirts, overflowing. And then down here I have all of my t-shirts and long sleeves and like some sweatshirts back there. I don't keep my coats in my room, so those are in like a whole nother area, otherwise I would actually have no room in here. And then I have like socks, underwear, swimsuits, yoga pants, and sweatpants in like the bottom of this little dresser situation. Yes, that is how I store everything. I have some necklaces over here too that I have way too many of. I have some necklaces back there as well. Just too much stuff, and I need to get rid of stuff. So that's what we're doing today. I made a matcha this morning, but I've been neglecting it, so all of the ice is melted. I've been using maple syrup as my sweetener lately, and it's so good. Probably gonna have to finish this video tomorrow, but I definitely want to start it today. My game plan is to go by sections. I feel like it makes the most sense. So I feel like I'm gonna start with either my tank tops or my like t-shirts and long sleeves. Maybe my t-shirts and long sleeves. Okay, it's about 2 hours later. I went to go meet up with my boyfriend for lunch, but we're back and I'm showing you guys what I ended up picking out from the long sleeve t-shirt section. So a lot of the things will be on my Depop. Maybe by the time this comes out, maybe not. All of it will be on my Depop. Some of it I'm gonna sell in person at my business. But yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this because as much as I think it's super cute, I really only like longer tops nowadays, and this just kind of sits weird. It's slightly too cropped to the point where I don't really enjoy wearing it. It fits me weird. I'm getting rid of this little top. It's cute, but I don't need it. I'm getting rid of this button-up top, very cute. I'm getting rid of this kind of slouchy wing top. I did pick out a few other things that I'm unsure about, so if you guys want to let me know what you think, or maybe I wind up deciding after. I have 3 things in the maybe pile, one of them being this 2007 Gossip Girl shirt, which is my favorite show ever, but I just don't wear it. It doesn't fit perfect. It fits a little bit bigger. I don't know. Maybe I should try it on. This one, I might regret this, but it's this really cute black button-up jacket. Very cute. And then next one is this sinful long sleeve shirt that I can't decide if I want to keep or not. I like the colors. Like, these colors are not normally things I would wear, and I just really like these colors on me. So I don't know. But I'm probably gonna do my tank tops next. Okay, I just finished my tank tops. I think this might be a sign of growing up that I'm about to get rid of this Chrome Hearts tank top. I'm getting rid of this little gray thermal tank top from Victoria's Secret I thrifted recently. And I'm getting rid of this corset. It's honestly like a really simple corset that's great for just, I don't know, like a nice, simple outfit you want to elevate, but it doesn't snatch me as much as I wish it did. So for that reason, I am going to get rid of it. And then the two I'm unsure about is this Lip Service long tank top and then this Hysteric Glamour tank top. I'm not really sure. I think I need to try them both on to really make my decision. Okay, next I'm going to go through my pants section and then my dress section, but I have a feeling that I might not be getting rid of very many pants, so this might be really quick. I just love my pants. Like, I'm such a interesting pant, simple top, or like nice fitting pant, pattern top. I feel like the pants are just what makes the outfit in my opinion, so I really like all the pants I own, but we'll see. Okay, so I am getting rid of one pair of pants. These are really awesome vintage Abercrombie jeans. They're just so absolutely low on me that there's no possible way I could wear them without my butt crack coming out. So they're so iconic, but they will be on my Depop, linked in the description. Now it is time for my dresses, which is kind of like in the back corner right here. Okay, I actually didn't go through my dresses. I did my belts because I do have to leave again, but I'm gonna finish this video tomorrow and I'm gonna do my dresses, my shoes, and my bags. And I have, some might say, unneeded amount of belts, but I wear them all. I really do, truly. And that might be believable or might not be, but the only one I don't wear, but I absolutely love it, I don't know why I don't wear it, is this amazing purple fuzzy leopard print like cat skull belt. What is this called? Bad Cat. And I'm not saying I'm getting rid of it, but I am gonna try to style it. So I am gonna like leave it out in my room so I can remember to try to style this belt because it's amazing. But I think I got it a year ago and I have not worn it, which is terrible. So I need to do a style it or sell it video soon. I need to do a video where I style things that I want to keep but I haven't worn yet, and then it'll make me wear it. Yes, I will pick this video back up tomorrow. All right, we are back to finish this closet clean out. I have my purses, dresses, and shoes that I'm gonna go through. I also need to go through my skirts, but we'll see if I end up getting to that, or I don't know. I usually don't even get rid of any skirts. I think I'm gonna start with my purses because I have a feeling I'm gonna get rid of a lot and they're kind of all jumbled anyways right now. So I think we're gonna start with that. Okay, I just finished. This is what it looks like now. It's still a bit crowded, but I definitely did take a bunch of bags out. Right here on the bottom, I have like all of my little mini shoulder bags, almost like going out bags. On this side, on this hook, I have kind of like, what are those called? Like a hobo bag. Like all of them kind of have this shape. And I have some almost tote bags that I used to like bring my laptop in and stuff like that. That's kind of what I have here. And then this is, I almost want to call it like my mom bags. They're shoulder bags, but they're more like day-to-day time bags up in this top one right here. So those are my purses. And now I think I'm gonna do my dresses back in the corner back there. All right, so I am gonna get rid of this bag. It's so cute and I do love polka dots, but it's just too small, unfortunately. But she is adorable, just not very practical. And the other one, this is so hard, but it's this beautiful vintage BCBG almost like taupe gray big bag. I think this bag is beautiful. I just don't ever reach for it and think I have to give her away. These are the two bags I'm unsure about. This really fun long red bag, which I don't have a bag in this color, so it kind of makes me want to keep it. But then again, I'm just like, I don't know if I really see myself wearing it that often. And then the other one is this polka dot bag. It's fine. It's just not, I don't know, I'm not obsessed with it, but she's cute. So I don't know, I'm just like unsure about these two. Okay, so I just finished going through my dresses. I think I'm gonna get rid of this little baby doll dress because I just don't like the amount of material that's on it, which is really unfortunate because I really love the collar and everything about it. And then the two that I'm unsure about are this pink like little knit flare set and then this dress thing situation. I'm gonna try both these on just to be sure, but these are on my maybes right now. But now I'm going to try to go through my shoes. I have like a hold on my shoes like no other. I have such a hard time getting rid of them, so we're gonna see how this goes. Okay, so I went through my shoes. I do have a couple in mind that if I don't end up wearing this fall, mark my words, I will get rid of them because they're like boot related, and I can't tell if I just am not wearing them because I am not gonna wear them or I'm not wearing them because it's literally been summer and spring and all that, so we will see. But I am gonna get rid of these. These are the Jeffrey Campbell sneaker heels and they're so cute, but for some reason I feel like they look weird on my feet. So I think someone else deserves to enjoy these. And another unfortunate thing I'm gonna get rid of is these beautiful heel boots. They have like a cutout on the heel and on the toe. They are so cute. Lace up in the front. I'm obsessed with them, but the one time I wore them, they destroyed my feet. So I just know I'm not gonna wear them again. And I hate that because I want to wear them, but they deserve a new home. And the one thing I'm unsure about if I'm gonna get rid of, like on my maybe side of things, I'm actually thinking about that I might get rid of my Hello Kitty docks, which is crazy because I really thought I was never gonna get rid of these, but I just haven't worn them in a while and I did pay a lot of money for them and I'm like, maybe I should just get rid of them. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see about these. Okay, I did go through all my skirts. I ended up doing it. At first, when I first started this video, my incision was like so fresh that it was like hurting a lot to lift my arms, and my skirts are kind of higher up in my closet, so I didn't know if I was gonna be able to do it, but it's feeling better. So I ended up going through my skirts and I just picked out this white skirt. I was gonna wear it in Paris and then I didn't, so I already have some other white skirts that I like more than this one, so I'm gonna end up getting rid of this one. But getting rid of one thing I feel like is pretty good for me, for my skirts. Okay, so I just counted my pile and I ended up getting rid of 15 things, which I think if I remember right, I've definitely gotten rid of more in past closet cleanouts. And I guys are being so serious. That means more stuff than I've ever gotten rid of before. Insert the clip of me saying that it's gonna be the biggest closet cleanout ever. I do have a pretty big pile of maybes though, so that number might change. It probably will change. I'll probably end up getting rid of more. These videos I usually try on my maybe pile in order to really decide if I want to keep it or not. Unfortunately, I'm having a really hard time moving my arms without hurting my chest. And so trying stuff on over my head and like lift my arms over and over again is just not a circumstance right now. So I'm unfortunately not going to be doing that in this video. I hope you guys understand, but this probably won't be the last closet clean out because I'm always cleaning out my closet. So sure, I'll probably film this video again soon. If you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know any videos you guys want to, let me know any videos you guys want to see. But yeah, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day or night or whatever time you're watching this, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.